lie, no be lie. ABC, show your body. ABC, show body. Show una get strength. Government foolish. Foolish government. Zoo government. Zoo government, come. Man, una die finish. This one is small. This one is small. This one is small one. Una go see shey. Yes, say in the happen. Una go die. Chaka, come first. Man, see man now. Why you not that wrong? Come, we there. We see there. Thunder. Ole, blue poloshi. Ogu kosha pono sha. All you will also call them now. All I made this today, 1st December. They ain't going to last 1 December.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 2nd of December 2025, we, the team of Magnetic TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see that the Biafran Liberation Army engaged the AVX, that is the Anambra Vigilante Service / Udogashi. They engaged each other, and you know what happened here? According to this video, the Biafran Liberation Army dealt with the Udogashi, that is the Anambra Vigilante Service AVX. They ran away, they ran into the bush, they left their vehicle, their patrol vehicle behind, of which the Biafran Liberation boys set the vehicle on fire.
By Moisa, Yande AVG, that about 1st December 2025. All them, Nara feeling no way, huh? Mpomugen, I'm up to Hebrews of fire, Maya, Popera, Iwe. Nana, there is a car, which you put it to a machine. Here, Grubezio, Popedozia, Mato promoter, then God promoter. So now you could. How about motor and a pia? I don't work with I cannot wear. I took the crash at a pass of Abra. Abukana, only Hamu. Manaya, Obinigbe, I believe in our first. Yeah, I believe in our first. Some connected bread wound. I not talking because someone that I will not here. One that I will not here. So men are good to go. Come on. When us of the land, they know themselves. I want you to every. You got Yoku. Oh, yeah, they are. Ebubeagu, they're too small now. Military, army, they're too small. Udogachi, they're too small. I connect here now for go see 5 months.
But do you know one thing that is not sweet in this video? These are brothers. Let's be sincere to ourselves. These are brothers fighting against each other. Because in the AVR Keta Bundi Igbo, in the Biafran Liberation Army Bundi Igbo. Akwefo, oh naka Igbo si Egbuchishi onwefa. Manobu na ega na Niger Delta Keta. The security force hang on Niger Delta. I'm not talking about police, so neither am I talking about army. You know, all these militant groups they have there, they hardly fight themselves. Apart from those ones who are into oil bunkering, apart from those ones, the other ones, they don't fight themselves because they know that they are brothers. They work together to fight the common enemy, who are all these Fulani herdsmen, you know. But here in our own Igbo land, you know, upper land here, the security we have here to protect ourselves are only fighting against each other. When you hear that Ebubeagu is fighting Umoma, now the same people. What I mean by the same people is na brothers, na Igbos. It will have been a very beautiful thing and a very wonderful thing that all these forces join hands together. Both the Ebubeagu, both the Asare guys, both Umoma, ESM, Biafran Liberation Army, whichever name they bears, because these are all Igbos. If they all join hands together, there is no way any Fulani will do anyhow in our land. Even in Enugu state that has border, with Kogi and the rest, that is very easy, or Benue, that is very easy for them to penetrate. There is no how that Fulani herdsmen will do anyhow at all. But since we are buying ourselves, it's not right.
We, the government of the people of Ebonyi State, under the sovereign state of United States of Biafra, acknowledge the 1-year independence declaration of the sovereign state of Biafra. We acknowledge Chukwu Okike, Abiyama, the Most High God, upon our freedom, and we honor our fallen heroes and heroines. We salute our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, His Excellency, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and Commander-in-Chief of the United States of Biafra government, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Orabuze. We acknowledge the USB Cabinet, Defense, Head of Missions, Governors, Commanders, and the Biafran people. It is easy to kill individuals, but cannot kill the ideas. Great empires crumble while the ideas survive. May God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, bless the Biafran people and the land of the rising sun. Long live United States of Biafra. Sign, Commander Isheke, aka Ngongwog, Oluola.
Preparation.
Ube jọla n'ike, onye nwe ike bịa were ube. Ube jọla n'ike, nwa Igbo kwa onye nwe ike ga-were ube. Ube jọla n'ike, onye nwe ike ga-were ube. Ube jọla n'ike. Enyo, 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 enyo. Enyo m Igbo, enyo Biafra. Enyo, 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 enyo. Enyo mi wo benyi Biafra. Enyo, enyo, enyo mi wo benyi Biafra. Ngongongog, ngongo, 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 ngongog. Benjagarigwe, njanjima, njanjegbe, njagaribe, njanjegbe. Na ngongog, ngongo. Ngongwo, 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 ngongwo. Ejire mara onye ike. Ngongwo, 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 ngongwo. Njagara igwe. Ja no chabi igwe. Imo tofu dofu. Ja no chabi igwe. Njanje igwe. Njankama. Ngongwo, ngongwo. Ngongwog, 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 ngongwo, ngongwo, ngongwog. We are live and direct in Ebonyi State, celebrating the 1-year anniversary of Biafran Declaration Day. Live and direct on this day, being 29th day of November. Live and direct in Ebonyi. We are saying no to Nigerian terrorists in uniform. We are saying no to Fulani Mieti Boko Haram and killing of our people. We are more than ready to defend our people as Biafra is now a sovereign nation. We are doing it live and direct today, being 29th day of November. We are live and direct in Ebonyi, celebrating our 1-year anniversary, respecting our fallen heroes and heroines. We are live, we are direct. The zoo can no longer come to our land and do anyhow and go scot-free again. We are more than good to go. As you can see, the good gallant men of Ebonyi doing the needful. Life and direct in Ebonyi.
Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is an ambassador. Holy, 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 holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Your voice, your voice, your voice. Holy, holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, holy, holy. Ngozi Orabuze.
is another Savior. Holy, 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 holy. Ngozi is another Savior. Holy, 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 holy. Holy, holy, holy.
So, Biafrans, you can see that Dr. Ngozi Orabuze is seriously organizing Biafra Liberation Armies, the one that is under her control, and they are celebrating their first year anniversary because we remember that it was November 2nd last year that is it November 2nd? No, December 2nd, I believe. December 2nd that Ngozi Orabuze pronounced the independent state of Biafra in Finland. Are you getting me? So the Biafran Liberation Army under Ngozi Orabuze are celebrating the first, that is the 1 year anniversary of the independent state of Biafra. So you can see these guys are many. They are numerous. It's not in only one state. You know, we have 40 states of Biafra according to the Biafran map that Ngozi Orabuze Saman ever showed us. There is 40 states there. So it's almost all the 40 states in that Biafra map. All of them, their commanders with their subordinates celebrating, doing a marching parade, celebrating the independent state of Biafra. Just watch the video to the end of it.
Says United States of Biafran, the military code of the United States of Biafran. Here we are now in the camp of the Commander Double Angel, which we present his comment. Thank you, Commander. Continue.
I, Commander Double Angel, Oratakati Commander of State of Owerri, United States of Biafra, do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States of Biafra, against all enemies, foreign and domestic. I will bear truth, faith, allegiance to the same, and that I will obey the order of the President. Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra.
And the order of the Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra.
And the order of the officers appointed over me.
According
to the regulations.
And
the uniform code of
justice. And the uniform code of the military justice.
So help me God.
So help me God.
All hail Biafra.
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 Greetings to all my fellow citizens, United States of Biafra. I'm here as one of you, celebrating and marking the 1 year anniversary of United States of Biafra that was declared at Finland, Lati district. We are here today as the soldiers of the Biafra to guide our land, to guide our properties, to guide our sisters and brothers, our mothers, even when they are in the farm. We always make sure say we guide them according to instruction by Onyen Dumas and Nandikalo. That's why for many months or years ago we are in the bush. We make sure this is Orak Takanti. You have never ever heard of herdsmen disturbing us, anyone that attempts. Do you know what you have seen or what you have saw since then? They don't come here to terrorize us because we are very strong. And now we are out to defend our land. Yes, really, Mazu Onyedu Nandikalo by Omotocho says he sentenced him. All Biafrans, I want you to understand that is not sentence. You cannot sentence someone outside court. He's not in the court. And they don't want to prove law. Show me the law. Mazu Onyedu said to Omotocho, but he couldn't. And the whole world now have confirmed that we are going to be a nation. We are a nation already. This is our 1 year anniversary. Thank you. All hail Biafra.
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 All hail Biafra. Thank you, the United States of Biafra, the Owerri Aurata Commander Double Angel. Today I've given a speech. Today, 1 year anniversary of 2025. We celebrate today by the power of Ereze Chukwu Okike Abiyama that give us power to continue being resolute for everything that we are doing. Glory be to your name. Thank you, Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Thank you, Dr. Ngozi Orabuze. All hail Biafra.
National anthem. On the right. This is 29 November 2025. This is the Memorial Day Biafra anniversary 1 year. This is a boy command. This is the 1 battalion, 100 men. We are live, we are direct at Ebonyi State. Today is 29th day of November 2025, marking 1 year anniversary of Biafra declaration. We are live and direct in Ebonyi. This is Ebonyi gallant men. We are live, we are direct. Celebrating the redeclaration day of Biafra land. We are live, we are direct in Ebonyi. We are following every of our comrades in every part of Biafra land to mark our redeclaration day. We are live, we are direct. As you can see, Ebonyi men are good to go. We are live, we are direct. We are live, we are direct. Today is the 29th day of November 2025. Live and direct in Ebonyi. Celebrating the 1 year anniversary of Biafra Redeclaration Day. So we are live, we are direct in Ebonyi. This is Ebonyi gallant men doing the needful. Telling the whole world that we are good to go. We are more than ready to defend our land. As we do this, we remember most of our brothers and sisters who has gone to great life beyond in regard to the restoration of Biafran struggle. We are more than ready to defend our nation. We are more than ready to do the needful to make sure that the good people of Ebonyi are well secured. The Fulani Janjaweed cannot come to our land and kill us anymore. We are now a sovereign nation. The zoo terrorists in uniform cannot come to our land and go scot-free again. We are live, we are direct in Ebonyi on this day being 29th day of November 2025, marking 1 year anniversary of Biafran Redeclaration Day. It was redeclared in Lahti, Finland in 29th of November 2024. As we do this, we do it to show to the whole world that Biafran people are good to go. They should let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be. They should let our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa be. As this is being done under the USB government, under the divine watch of Dr. Ngozi Orabuze, we are live, we are direct in Ebonyi State, doing the needful. As today marks the 1 year of Biafran Redeclaration Day, we are live, we are direct. As you can see, men are good to go. Men are good to go. United States of Biafra Heroes Anthem.
Oh yeah, I'll start to go. Attention. Now, Biafra. Now, Biafra Heroes Pledge.
Land of the rising sun, willow and cherry.
Bây giờ có kim có phải là cái mà kim có phải làm
Đúng không?
phải là somebody lift right left right let's shift the base left right left right left right left right attention 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 left right left right left right left right forward march attention
Video call, me have you.
Oh yeah, Biafra. Oh yeah, Biafra. Let's keep a minute silence for our fallen heroes. Oh yeah, Biafra. Let's give 5 uza to our Onyendu Nandekano.
Boza, 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 Boza.
Oh yeah, Biafra.
First man.
Let's give 3 uza to our Prime Minister, Simon Ijoku.
Boza, Boza, Boza.
Oh yeah, Biafra.
First man.
Let's give 2 uza to our Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Orabuze.
Boza, Boza.
Oh yeah, Biafra. This is the 1-year anniversary speech of United States of Biafra government. On this speech, they will government and the people of Owerri State under Commander Ebubeagu Army State districts of United States of Biafra acknowledge the 1-year independence and the declaration of the sovereign state of Biafra. We acknowledge Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the Most High God, upon our freedom, and we honor our fallen heroes and heroines. We salute our supreme leader, Mazen Nandekano, His Excellency, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and the Deputy Prime Minister and the Commander-in-Chief of United States of Biafra, Her Excellency, Dr. Ngozi Orabuze. We acknowledge the United States of Biafra Cabinet, Defense, Head of Mission, Governor, Head of Owerri State, the governors, commissioners, and the Biafra people. It is easy to kill individual, but you cannot kill the idea, great empire. May God bless the Biafra people and the long life, the United States of Biafra. Oh, hey, Biafra.
First man.
Attention! 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 Artist. Je, we dey go. Je, we dey go. Je, we dey go. Je, we dey go. Je. Hey, gallant men, we dey go. Biafra people,
we dey go. Biafra people, we dey go. Biafra people, we dey go. 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 Gallant men, we dey go. Gallant men, we dey go. Anyhow it be, we dey go. Gallant men, we dey go. We dey go. We dey go. Apepe oh, apepe, wonderful. Apepe oh, apepe, wonderful. Apepe oh, apepe, wonderful. Apepe oh, apepe, wonderful. Mama, papa say make I not just soldier. Wonderful. If I join soldier, I go see something. Wonderful. I join soldier, I not see anything. Wonderful. Apepe oh, apepe, wonderful. Apepe oh, apepe, wonderful. Apepe oh, apepe, wonderful. Oh, hey Biafra. Oh, hey Biafra.
Biafra is man.
Ejike Mbaka is still saying that he is not happy the way Martin Namikalu was convicted, that it is no longer sure, now that action is needed to free Martin Namikalu. Listen to him in what he said.
Oge m nọ na Amerịka m na-anụ ka esi bụ ibe Nnamdi Kanu ka o si wee gazia. Ihe m na-achọ ịgwa unu maka ụfọdụ na-asị ihe Mbaka kwu. Ọ bụrụ ọzọ maka ihe ekwu. Steji anyị nọ kịta bụ ihe emere. Ọ gafeghị ihe a na-ekwu, ọ gafeghị ịkọ ọnụ. Ewere m Chineke aka enu n'isi Igbo Igbo. Igbo Igbo ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma. Ma ndị nọ na mba ma ndị nọ n'ụlọ. Achịrị m aka enu. O mesịrị ka m mara ihe Chukwu ga-achọ ka m mee. Nke mma bụ na aga m emenata ihe m kwesịrị ime. Yes, by the power of God. A ga-eji ekpere pụọrọ ya ije. Ya unu ga-elota m n'ekpere. Nke a gafego gịnị ka onye a kwu, gịnị ka onye a prọfesaịrị. Ihe a nọ kịta bụ nzọpụta Chukwu. Unu ga-elota m n'ekpere ka ije m ga-eje na ihe m ga-eme banyere mpụta nwanne anyị a ka o nwee isi. Amen. Derecho. Ekwem na Chukwu. Your salvation is near. I am Basara Chukwaka n'isi Pope anyị. N'isi ndị ndu ndị ụka ka Chineke na-agbaziri ha. Anyị chinikwara aka enu n'isi obodo anyị. Ka Chineke jiri aka bịa n'ọrụ anyị agha anyị sekuriti. Weta ezigbote nzọpụta tọrọ atọ na Naịjirịa. Ezinụlọ gị chọkwaziri nzọpụta. Eburu m eche n'iru Chineke ka ọrụ ịtịba ama, ọrụ ịrịba ama, ọrụ ịtụnanya mee na mbara ezi a. Ihe niile banyere gị ka ọ bụrụ ihe ọrụ ebube. Nzọpụta anyị na-atụ anya ka ọ bịa na mmezu. Ikwere na nke a. anyị eburu ekpere niile a tinye n'aka nne anyị dị asọ Meri wee bugara Jizọs onye ọrụ ebube. Anyị sị na ha gbaba na nchedo gị. Udo dịrị unu. A joyful noise to the Lord of hosts.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Try and share this video and let us interact in our comment section. Above all things, let there be peace, a brotherly love in Igbo land, in Biafra land. In general, let us stop buying ourselves. It will not yield anything for us. Even Mazen Nandekalo has already given that order. Let us stop buying ourselves. We are brothers. We are brothers. Thank you all. Bye.